Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. As the holiday season approaches, businesses are gearing up for what could be the busiest time of year. The holiday cheer brings consumers into a spending spirit, making digital marketing campaigns critical to capitalizing on this potential revenue spike. However, the festive season is also a minefield of potential missteps for unwary marketers. In the fervor to capture holiday sales, it's easy to overlook the nuanced strategies that can make or break a campaign success. So let's unwrap the common pitfalls and explore strategies to steer clear of them. Ensure your marketing efforts yield joy rather than disappointment. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. We've made it our mission to give business owners the resources they need to help their businesses thrive. In each video, we'll delve deeper into another aspect of online marketing and provide practical insights and strategies that can make a difference in your online presence. From mastering the art of SEO to harnessing the power of social media, our content is designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape. Mistake number 1, ignoring mobile users. With over 70% of web traffic happening on mobile devices, ignoring the mobile user experience is likely closing your store on Black Friday. In other words, a catastrophic error. Mobile users are not just browsing, they're also buying, with mobile sales projected to surpass 50% of total e-commerce sales. If your website isn't optimized for mobile with fast uploading times and easy checkout process, you're likely to miss out on substantial business. The goal is to make the mobile shopping experience so seamless that customers can go from discovery to purchase faster than singing a verse of Jingle Bells. Mobile optimization means more than just a responsive design. It involves understanding the user journey on mobile devices and tailoring content to fit those interactions. Crafting a mobile-first approach ensures that promotions, ads, and emails are effective on smaller screens. So it's essential to test every aspect of your digital presence on multiple devices to guarantee a merrier user experience for all. Mistake number 2. Overlooking email marketing. Email marketing remains a golden goose during the holidays, with a proven track record of delivering strong ROI when done correctly. Yet, businesses often send out a barrage of generic, non-personalized emails that get lost in the crowd. Customization is the secret ingredient, with personalized emails delivering 6 times higher transaction rates. And personalization goes beyond just inserting a name. It's about segmenting your audience and crafting a message that resonates with the individual interests and past behaviors of subscribers. Remember, during the holiday season, inboxes are stuffed with offers. Your email needs to shine brighter than the star atop the Christmas tree to catch a customer's eye. Your subject line should entice the viewer with the promise of value, and the email copy should be succinct and compelling with a clear call to action. Leveraging A/B testing can further refine your approach, ensuring your message resonates and results in higher open rates and conversions. Mistake number 3. Neglecting social proof. In the digital marketplace, social proof is the equivalent of a word-of-mouth recommendation. Nearly 95% of shoppers read online reviews before making a purchase, which really shows the power of social proof. Ignoring this in your marketing strategy just doesn't work. Customer reviews, testimonials, and user-generated content can significantly boost credibility and influence purchasing decisions. And keep in mind, incorporating social proof isn't just about plastering testimonials on your site. It's about integrating them creatively in your marketing campaigns, from highlighting customer stories in emails to featuring user-generated content on social media. The holiday season is also an opportune time to encourage customers to share their experiences with your brand. Consider creating a hashtag for holiday purchases or incentivizing reviews with a small discount on future purchases. This not only provides valuable content for your brand, but also engages your customers in a very meaningful way. Mistake 4, underestimating the power of content marketing. Content marketing can be incredibly powerful without being overtly promotional. During the holiday season, brands often ramp up their advertising but neglect the content that guides consumers through the buyer's journey. Content shouldn't be an afterthought. It should be at the heart of your holiday marketing strategy. High quality, valuable content can engage customers, solve their problems, and position your brand as a holiday helper rather than just another retailer pushing sales. Content creation during the holidays should be festive and informative. From holiday gift guides to tips for hosting the perfect Christmas party, Your content should align with your audience's interests and needs. It's not just about pushing products, it's about creating an atmosphere that embodies a holiday spirit. Content that resonates with your audience can enhance brand recall and keep your customers returning even after the holiday lights dim. Mistake 5, not leveraging data and analytics. In the season of giving, data gives back to marketers in the form of invaluable insights. Yet, some marketers fly blind, not leveraging analytics to guide their holiday campaigns. By not dissecting the data, you miss out on crafting strategies that hit the mark. It's like baking cookies without a recipe. You might end up with a batch that's not so merry. Data analysis allows you to understand past campaign performances, customer behavior, and shopping trends, providing a roadmap for targeted and effective strategies. For instance, knowing which promotions resonated last year can inform this year's offers. Utilizing data isn't just about looking back, it's also predictive. Sophisticated analytics can forecast trends, allowing you to anticipate and respond to customer needs in real time. Imagine being able to stock the most sought-after items before they become a holiday craze based on trending data. During the holiday season, when every moment counts, real-time analytics can be the difference between a campaign that soars and one that stumbles. Employ A/B testing to refine your tactics and dynamically adjust campaigns for maximum impact. Mistake number 6. Poor timing of campaigns. The perfect timing of a campaign can feel like catching snowflakes on your tongue. Magical but elusive. Launching too early or too late can make your message just one of many in a blizzard of holiday promotions. Retail giants might kick off their campaigns in early fall, but for many businesses, timing needs to be more strategic. The sweet spot often lies in starting promotions just as the holiday buzz begins, but not so early that consumers aren't yet in the holiday mindset. On the flip side, waiting too long can be just as detrimental. Consider the early bird shoppers who wrap their gifts before their first Advent candle is lit. If you're not reaching them, you're missing out. A staggered campaign approach targeting early birds first and last-minute shoppers later can ensure that you cover all your bases. Keep an eye on key dates beyond Black Friday and Cyber Monday, like Free Shipping Day, to create timely touchpoints that resonate with consumers' desire to score the best deals throughout the season. Mistake number 7. Insufficient customer support. The holiday season rush brings a flurry of customer inquiries and purchases, making robust customer support crucial. Without it, customer experience can take a nosedive, leading to missed opportunities and lost sales. Preparing for the surge means scaling up your support team, extending hours, and ensuring that all channels, phone, email, chat, and social media are fully staffed and responsive. Training is also paramount. Equip your team with the knowledge and the authority to solve problems quickly and effectively. Implementing a comprehensive FAQ section on your website can deflect common questions, allowing your support team to focus on more complex inquiries. Remember, a positive support experience can turn a one-time holiday shopper into a loyal customer for life. Mistake number 8, not budgeting properly. Navigating holiday marketing without a budget is like Santa without his list. It simply doesn't yield the best results. Overspending on certain channels can exhaust your budget faster than a snowman melts in the sun, while underinvesting can leave successful channels and potential revenue untapped. Effective budget allocation is about balance and understanding the ROI of each channel. It's essential to review historical data to see which channels performed best and allocate accordingly. Don't forget to factor in the increased cost of advertising during the holiday season. Costs often rise as competition for ad space increases, so adjusting your budget to account for this can prevent any mid-campaign cash crunches. Use performance metrics to make data-driven decisions and remain flexible to shift funds where they're needed most. Mistake number 9, ignoring competitor strategies. Turning a blind eye to your competitors' holiday strategies is akin to flying a sleigh with your eyes closed. While it's crucial to blaze your own trail, understanding the competitive landscape provides valuable insights and helps differentiate your campaigns. Competitor analysis can reveal gaps in your strategies that you can exploit. Watch how competitors time their campaigns, what promotions they offer, and how they engage with their audience. Don't copy, innovate. Let their actions inform yours, but always with a twist that makes your brand stand out. This doesn't mean you should get lost in a competitor-focused approach. Your strategy should always be customer-centric, with competitor insights serving as a backdrop to your holiday marketing masterpiece. Lastly, mistake number 10, forgetting post-holiday opportunities. Once the holiday decorations come down, many marketers take a breather, missing the post-holiday period ripe with marketing opportunities. This time is ideal for follow-up campaigns, thank you messages, and invitations to join loyalty programs. Gift cards given during the holidays turn into sales in the new year. Targeting these customers with suggestions on how to use their cards can boost post-holiday sales. The period after the holidays is also perfect for seeking feedback and reviews from customers. Engage with them to understand their experiences and how you can serve them better. Implementing a strategic post-holiday plan keeps the momentum going and can set the stage for customer engagement throughout the coming year. The holiday season holds a bounty of potential for digital marketers, yet it's laden with pitfalls that can hinder your campaign success. By heeding these insights and sidestepping common mistakes, you can enhance your chances of running successful campaigns. Ensure your marketing checklist includes everything we talked about today. Each of these elements is like an ingredient in a holiday recipe. When blended correctly, it creates a delightful feast for your customers and your businesses alike. Remember, effective digital marketing during the holidays doesn't just revolve around selling. It's about fostering a festive atmosphere and engaging with customers in a meaningful way that builds lasting relationships and brand loyalty. Avoid these common missteps, and your brand could become a holiday favorite, remembered and cherished by customers long after the holiday lights dim. Keep the spirit of the season in your marketing and let your campaign shine with the same warmth and goodwill that characterizes this time of year. And that wraps up our video for today. If you found our tips helpful, please show your support by giving us a like, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest marketing insights. We've got a ton of videos just waiting for you, so feel free to dive in and keep learning. As we say goodbye, we just want to extend our warmest wishes for a joyful holiday season from the Starfish Ad Age family. Happy holidays, and we'll see you in the next video.